turn up time. Pinky up because you're fancy, right? Channel, you guys, how y'all doing? Thanks for dropping in. If you guys are new here, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, let me know you rocking with your girl on my YouTube journey. And while y'all down there, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever it is that I post. That's the most important thing. If you didn't listen to anything I said, listen to that. Hit that notification bell. So let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. This is a synthetic baddie wig, y'all. Like, I haven't done a 613. Well, I'm lying. I did a 613 wig a minute ago, but I haven't done one that I liked. Let's put that there. Like, so yes, y'all, this one is such a serve, and I'm like feeling this unit. Like, it's effortless slay. It's easy to install. The hairline is bomb. Like, this unit is just everything I've always wanted it to be. So I'm gonna show y'all how I put her on and everything. I did style this unit 2 different ways, so you guys will be seeing a little bit of a longer tutorial because I did install this unit 2 different ways. Well, I hope you guys don't mind. So once we're done with that, we'll come back and talk about the specifics on this unit and my thoughts. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, so we is back. I hope y'all enjoyed all that stuff. So let's talk about this unit. So this unit was actually sent to me by ebonyline.com. oops, I got hair everywhere, which is, you know, we're about to get into that, of course. This is part of the Outre Perfect Hairline collection, and this is Jenisse, and I have her in the color DR4/Malibu Blonde. Love this wig, you guys. So it's part of the Perfect Hairline collection. I did do a few, I think I did one previously, it was Kira, and these wigs are supposed to be like pre-plucked, real natural in the front. These wigs are a little bit more pricier because of that. I think you're really paying for the pre-pluckageness and the naturalness of the hairline. So these units are kind of like $45 to $50, and I'm just kind of like, well, why would that be that much? But honestly, it's worth it because it looks just so natural, and this is like a unit that you cannot clock that is synthetic at all. Like, so let me tell y'all. So anyways, you get, it says it's 13x4 fully hand-tied lace wig. So you get 13x4 ear-to-ear lace, and then 4 inches from here to the back of parting area. And they give you a lot of parting area because, as you guys know, I like to do a deep side part, like real to this side part, and I was able to do that. So you get like a large amount of parting area, like all over. You can do anything. I mean, even on the stock card, they show the girl with like little twists from ear to ear. Like, you can do so much with this unit. It says it has transparent lace, HD, no plucking required. Baby hairs included. I didn't see no baby hairs on this unit unless I mean, they're like really fine baby hairs, but nothing like too major, like Bobby Boss bangs, baby bangs. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But this lace, I think it's transparent because I just threw my little Ebon lace tint on it. Now, I will agree that it is transparent because with transparent units on synthetics, it's usually like a white color. So I had to go in with my Ebon lace tint, which I love. I'm like running out of this stuff because I love it. And I do use the shade medium brown, if you guys are wondering. That's the shade I use. And yeah, I just went in and tinted that under my lace and put it on. I didn't even glue. This unit is not even glued on. So let me tell you. Hey. Let me tell y'all why this unit is not glued down. So this unit, I keep looking at myself because I'm making TikToks while I'm doing this stuff. But this unit, y'all, has an elastic band inside of it, so it kind of has a little bit of a tug to it. So there is no need for you to glue it unless you're trying to lay her from ear to ear, which I will note, this unit is not big head friendly because I mean, it could be, but it's really, I just kind of low-key ripped it by doing that. But if you tug her hard enough, you can lay her down, but I mean, you really don't need to because it has that elastic band. It already has that tug, and with that tug, it kind of tugs the ends, which makes it unable to pull forward for a full ear-to-ear meltdown. If you guys can catch my drift or whatever. So they do give you 2 combs here in the front. Unfortunately, I don't think you get, oh, you do. You get a comb in the back. Oh, I'm gonna spill some stuff on my shirt. God dog. Alright, let me get it together. So this unit, it is dark rooted. So you do get dark roots, and then it has this pretty blonde color. It says it's Malibu blonde, so it looks like 613 with a bit of honey blonde highlights inside of it, just to kind of tone it down. I'm not sure how it's looking on camera, but it's very kind of like a yellow 613. It's not toned or anything, so it's very yellowy kind of, which is very cute, honestly. I have a yellow undertone, so bringing that out is just bomb. So this unit laid perfectly, you guys. Like, I don't have any complaints with this unit. My only con is that this unit sheds initially. It sheds initially out of the package, but now that I done got all the kinks out, it's good to go. So you will experience some shedding, you know, straight out of the box, but after you get that out, it's good. Like, it's flowing. Y'all see I'm running my fingers through it, and it's just real good quality hair. So I think I also like the middle part in this unit. I mean, y'all know I'm a side part chick, but I like the middle part too, because like, it just looked real good. It just looked real good. So yeah, that wraps it up for this wig review. Let me know what y'all think. Would y'all get this unit? I forgot to mention that this unit comes in a bunch of colors. You get your 1B. They have DR chocolate cream. That's the one I was gonna get, but they were out. So I'm like, let me try this blonde with the dark root. I love dark rooted blonde wigs, so couldn't go wrong with that. They have cinnamon wine, ginger brown, creamy mocha, golden amber. It's just a whole bunch of colors that this unit comes in. Like I said, the price point is a little bit higher on this one, but it is definitely worth it if you're looking for a unclockable bob. I will note that this does have a little bit of texture to it. It kind of has kind of like a kinky texture to it, so I really like that. When bobs have that kinkiness to it, it makes it look more realistic. I don't know if it's showing off as shiny on camera, but it definitely is not. So this is a win all around in my book. I love this unit. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing, especially when I got on blonde. I know usually when I have on blonde, I always feel like a white woman or something, but nah, I'm feeling myself in this one, and like, this is good to go. So let me know what y'all think about this unit. Would you try her? Are you gonna try her? Let me know down in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.